If X and Y matches element in NumPy array. How do I check if there's an element in an array where both axes, X, Y, match, Drox, Joy? I have a NumPy array and two other variables. I'm using the array as a set of positions, 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 6, and I need to test if Drox, Joy, also representing a position, is in one of the positions on both the X and Y axis, etc. Drox equals 4, Joy equals 6 returns true, Drox equals 3, Joy equals 2 returns true, Drox equals 4, Joy equals 2 returns false, Drox equals 2, Joy equals 1 returns false.
Will broadcast the comparison, so which is, I think, what you're looking for. Printing out the intermediate steps will be useful to understanding and working out similar tasks. If instead you use C0 equals NumPy.array, 2, 3, then everything would be false.